Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open the JavaScript console in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. After clicking the three dots, a menu will appear with several choices. Look for the option that says More Tools and hover your mouse over it. When you hover over More Tools, a secondary menu will slide out to the side, showing you additional features and utilities that Chrome offers. This submenu contains several developer-focused options that are incredibly useful for web development and troubleshooting. In this secondary menu, you'll see an option labeled Developer Tools. Click on it to proceed. This is Chrome's built-in suite of development tools that allows you to inspect web pages, debug JavaScript, monitor network activity, and much more. It's an essential feature for anyone working with web technologies or trying to understand how websites function behind the scenes. Once you click on Developer Tools, a new panel will appear on your screen. By default, this panel typically opens on the right side of your browser window, though it can also appear at the bottom or as a separate window depending on your previous settings. This panel contains multiple tabs at the top, each providing different tools and information about the current web page. Now, look at the top section of the Developer Tools panel. You'll see several tabs including Elements, Console, Sources, and others. Click on the tab labeled Console to access the JavaScript console. This console is where you can view JavaScript errors, warnings, and log messages. You can also type and execute JavaScript code directly in this console, making it an incredibly powerful tool for testing code snippets and debugging issues in real time. And that's it. You've successfully opened the JavaScript console in Google Chrome, and you're now ready to inspect, debug, or experiment with JavaScript code. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.